To remove the battery from a Ring doorbell and replace it, start by gathering the necessary tools, including a replacement battery, a screwdriver, a power source to charge the new battery, and a micro USB cable. Begin by powering down the device. Then remove the faceplate by finding the small security screw at the bottom and loosening it with a screwdriver by turning it counterclockwise. Next, detach the faceplate by sliding it upwards. With the faceplate removed, you will see the battery. Press the black rectangular tab and use your fingers to slide it out. Before inserting the new battery, ensure it is fully charged. Once charged, push the new battery into the device until the black rectangular tab snaps into place, which should produce an audible click. Turn on the device to confirm the battery is installed correctly. To complete the process, align the faceplate with the device's main unit and slide it downwards until it attaches fully. Finally, screw back the small security screw, being careful not to over-tighten it, and the replacement is complete.